Today, Friday the 12th, a developing rain cloud covered Tokyo's 23 wards, Kanagawa Prefecture, Chiba Prefecture, and Ibaraki Prefecture in the afternoon. The weather changed abruptly around central Tokyo, with some areas experiencing heavy rain, accompanied by thunderstorms and even hailstorms. A strong cold air mass below minus 15 degrees Celsius moved in at an altitude of around 5,500 meters. As a result, atmospheric conditions became very unstable, and rain clouds began forming early in the morning, especially in the mountainous areas of the Kanto-Koshin region. Winds were blowing strongly, and some people were seen walking with umbrellas for protection, and visibility was poor. In front of Ayase Station, in Adachi Ward, Tokyo, many people experienced broken plastic umbrellas. There was a risk of thunderstorms in various areas throughout the night. During the day, the rain cloud continued to develop and moved eastward, causing severe thunderstorms in several urban areas in southern Kanto. Hail fell beneath the active rain cloud and in some places accumulated on roads. In the hours leading up to 2 p.m., very heavy rainfall of 50.0 millimeters was recorded in Fuchu City, Tokyo. In Nerima Ward, Tokyo, rainfall of 27.0 millimeters was recorded in the hours leading up to 2:20 p.m. In Tokyo, where atmospheric conditions became extremely unstable, thunderstorms suddenly occurred. In Saitama, where heavy rain and hail fell, rivers of ice formed in some areas. Rain and hail flowed like rivers down city streets. The sky darkened, and hail fell accompanied by strong winds. This is the scene in Hano City, Saitama Prefecture, a little after 12:30 p.m. One person who was there said, "I thought the rain was getting heavier, but then the sound turned into a crack. When I opened the door, hail was falling outside and it was terrifying. The road was covered in hail and it felt like snow. On the 12th, the atmosphere became unstable in the Kanto region, and hail fell in various places. In Hano City, rainfall reached 31.5 millimeters in 1 hour, the heaviest rainfall of the year. The person who took the photo said, "I heard a metallic sound, like something hitting the roof, windows, and walls. So I looked out the window and saw many large hailstones falling. Before I knew it, the streets were flooded, and it was like a river of hail, or like large hailstones flowing like drift ice. Elsewhere, a parking lot was covered in white snow, as if it had snowed. Hail also fell in the neighboring town of Iruma, with large hailstones covering the park. According to the person who took the photo, the rain began at noon and then turned to sleet." In Yashio City, the streets were flooded with muddy brown water. Various events were also affected. At the Red Brick Warehouse Yokohama, a gourmet burger event that had begun on the 12th was cancelled. In Kamakura, Kanagawa Prefecture, outdoor stairs are in this condition. A level 3 heavy rain warning has been issued for Yokohama. The streets were flooded in just about 10 minutes, and large splashes of water appeared every time a car passed. River levels were also rising. The Toriyama River, which flows through Yokohama, experienced a rapid rise in water levels in just 30 minutes, starting shortly after 1:30 p.m.